race you.
I'm winning.
Come on. Genie, you look concerned.
Go!
Your horse is saying something. It's probably vulgar. What? This is the back of Genie's head. It's lovely. Ah, the front! We are off to Griffith Observatory. And it's very slanted here. And I didn't bring hiking shoes because, you know, I'm prepared.
We're at the top of Griffith Park. The observatory is to our left. That's LA with our wonderful smog. And there, if you can kind of see it right there somewhere, is the Hollywood sign. But you can't see it because of the smog. Thanks, bye.
It's spinning. It's spinning. It's following you, Earth. Earth.
Are you taking video? 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 You doing video? Video? Really? Video? Video?
Hey, your head's just as big as these planets are. Alright, I'm home now and it's Monday. I think this vlog is going to go out, whatever. It's going to go up pretty late because I still haven't put my wedding vlog, not my wedding, but our friend's wedding, and that was like 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to do that today. For now, I'm going to go and change, or maybe I should do a video. Decisions. But eventually I'm going to change and I am going to go running today. And I am trying to work out a little bit more just because I feel like, you know, once you're in the groove, you just have to push through and keep going no matter how much you hate it. Sometimes I hate it. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hey, Jimmy's here. And we have dishes. Here. That's not an
Working
answer.
out?
Working out?
Yes.
Your stomach?
Yeah.
Ooh,
That's
I'm
a
just
salad.
gonna eat. Okay. Jimmy, this is your fault. What do you have to say to your... Wait, what do you have to say for yourself?
I'm a badass.
Felt so right. Felt so wrong. What? Stop! For the record, I said no Korean barbecue. And Jimmy wanted it. But I don't feel so good right now. We ate here. Can you see? For $10, two of us was $21.78. So it was a good deal. Anyway, heading back now. Heading back. Back. I have a pimple. See? Ah! So you thought of this, eh? Explain.
We're gonna have a water fight, fool. I'll fight your water.
I'm gonna get one, and once I run out of water, I'm just gonna throw the gun at you.
I wanna fart on you.
That just seems like... No, not what you're saying. But what I'm saying, that seems like the right thing to do. Super Soaker. Which one should I get? I don't know.
But it's pretty cool. They have clips, water clips.
Oh, jeez. What is this? Domination drum. What does that mean?
It's a drum. It's an ammo drum.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. Hey, we're in a water shortage. Compact Silk Attack. Drench and Blast. That's quite large. Whoa. We never even had a Nerf fight. Only mini ones.
Yeah.
But I guess those are not as fun as a water fight. I used to have water fights all the time. Once or twice a year, every year.
Well, I should bring the 2 Nerf guns that you bought for Jeannie and me to the house too.
So that we can really fight it out.
Yeah.
But you can't tell when you've gotten hit.
You can't, but this you can.
This you can. This is waterproof. Ah!